You know that sinking feeling when you cut into an expensive steak, only to realize it's gray, overcooked, and basically a leather coaster? I've been there more times than I'd like to admit. I used to be intimidated by the science of sous vide, but no more. Today we're unboxing the Anova 3.0. We're going to see if this little device is actually the cheat code for beginners like us to get restaurant quality food without the stress. Let's take it out of the box, and you can see it's a simple unit that comes with a quick guide. Most people think sous vide is complicated science, but honestly, it's just a couple clicks. You just slide it in, tighten the clamp, and you're almost ready to go. On setting the temperature, there's no guessing here. There's no, is the pan hot enough, or did I wait too long? You just dial in the exact temperature that you want down to the decimal. And once you hit start, you've officially reclaimed your evening. And this is what a dinner looks like hours later on the low and slow process for delicious and tender meats. It's happily cooking away while I'm off doing literally anything else. If this unboxing helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.